So I was thinking of videos to make for this channel, and I was like, how do I give advice on YouTube stuff while also incorporating technology into it? So I thought, tech involves, or YouTube always involves technology for filming and editing and stuff like that, and also like video and audio stuff. How do I blend the two together? And that's what this video is. How to start a YouTube channel on a extreme budget. I made a video sort of like this in the past. As you're seeing right now, I'm filming on my iPhone 13 front-facing camera, no microphone at all, but I'm gonna show you my minimalist sort of filming setup just to put to rest this idea that you need to buy a like $1,000 camera with a external mic, shotgun mic or Rode video mic, like in the $300 to $500 range for audio, which is ridiculous. Arm's getting kind of tired, but yeah. We'll put that to rest, and I'll show you what we're working with when it comes to gear to actually film your stuff. So this is on the front-facing camera. I don't actually recommend this for filming necessarily, because you can just flip it around and get better video. So I'm gonna demonstrate that right now, and then we're gonna incorporate my external mic, which I got like super cheap off Amazon. I'll link to it down below so you guys can get crisp audio on your smartphone, which is super sick. And this also adapts. It adapts for Android and iPhones, so it has Lightning as well as USB-C. And you can also plug it into other devices like a MacBook, and it can register or it can sync up to the mic on your laptop, which is super cool. So let's flip this around and I'll show you how much better the video quality is just on the rear-facing camera. Okay, so now we're filming on the rear-facing camera. All you have to do basically, because I know it's impossible to even know like if you're actually in focus or where you are in the frame, just identify what camera, like the primary lens is on your phone, and then just stare at it. That's all you have to do, and sort of angle it towards you. Right now I can't even see where I'm filming, but I kind of know I'm ballparking that I'm in frame roughly. Like it's not perfect, obviously. So yeah, you probably noticed like this looks a lot better than the front-facing camera just because the sensor is a lot bigger and the lens is bigger. So it's allowing more light. Bigger sensor means sharper image, better frame rate, better overall lighting, I guess. So yeah, this is a video test. Let me know how this looks and sounds. And now let's throw in one more thing, and we're gonna transform this because we've already transformed the video. Let's transform the audio now. So we're gonna add some external audio. Little clip-on mic. So let's test that out. All right, people. So now I have a vlogger sort of set up right now. I'm holding like a tripod, so it's kind of farther out distance-wise from my face. But now you should be hearing all the audio on this lavalier microphone, wireless lav mic. So yeah, got a nice tripod. Obviously, you don't need a tripod. You can just hold the phone like I was doing earlier, but this is nice if you want to like switch off hands and stuff like that. I don't vlog, so it's kind of weird. I'm just like in my apartment. I do mostly like sitting down shots, like at my desk. So, and that's probably what you see most of my videos. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video because I just wanted to clearly show you, like, you don't need, like, obviously, like, have good lighting and stuff that makes the image even better. I'm just sitting in front of a window, so I have good natural light. But yeah, all you really need is a phone, some sort of external audio device, or you could use the built-in mic, doesn't matter. On the iPhone or any other phone, it's honestly probably just good enough. Like, people aren't gonna care. Get a tripod if you wanna like do talking headshots, or you also wanna walk around and hold it like this. It's up to you guys. But like in general, I would just say you don't need to go out and buy like a ton of expensive camera equipment. Obviously you need something to edit on, but this video is mostly just focused on the filming aspect of it. You can just buy a cheap MacBook on Amazon if you really wanna edit. That's what I recommend. Rather than a Windows laptop. Like, it's just not built for editing. You have to pay a lot for a Windows laptop if you want to actually edit stuff and you want something really powerful. Anyway, probably gonna get roasted in the comments for saying that. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you have any other tips or recommendations for the general community to think about, leave those in the comment section down below. Appreciate all you guys for watching my content. Still trying to think of more videos and stuff like that, but thank you so much for the support recently. I haven't been uploading a ton, but you guys have still been engaging with the content, showing me a bunch of love. So thank you so much, guys. Couldn't have done this without you. We're over like 1,200 subs now. Honestly, I think we're at 1,260 at the time of this video, getting close to 1,300. Next goal is 2K on the channel. I think we can get there relatively quickly, but yeah, stay tuned for more tips and tricks stuff. I'd love to do more like camera reviews, you know, microphone reviews, basically just like any way to improve overall like filming and audio of YouTube stuff. I love that. Always love that actually. I love doing tests on that sort of as well. Maybe my next video I'll make a video about my setup and how I film at my desk. This is like portable filming on my phone, but I could also make a video talking about my desk setup as well. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace out, everyone. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.